Gold prices in October have notched up their biggest monthly gain since November of 2022. In fact, gold prices, they're now up over 21% in the last year. And of course, we've seen gold prices in multiple currencies breaking out to record highs in the last week. This momentum has also spilled over into multiple commodities, with silver prices breaking out 8% in the month of October. Crude oil prices, we've seen over a 2% breakout already on Wednesday. Platinum prices have broken out 5% this week. Gold prices, they broke out 9% in the month of October. Copper prices, they're currently breaking out to 2-week highs. There's been back-to-back opportunities to capitalize on the current macro-driven environment. As you know, in times of crisis, this does provide opportunities. And right now we're seeing crisis on top of crisis. Everything from the current crisis in the Middle East to the energy crisis 2.0 to the current inflation crisis and food crisis, as we continue to see agricultural commodities breaking out to all-time record highs. The good news here is that commodities, they love a crisis. Goldman Sachs stated it best: we've transitioned away from the golden age of investing, and now we've transitioned into the golden age of trading. This is where actively managing your portfolio is going to mean you're making a lot more money in these markets right now than if you're just utilizing a buy and hold strategy. Now, as it relates to the current opportunities that we're seeing being presented in the market, this comes back to our point: buy low, sell high, rinse and repeat. So what we've done in the last week, obviously been buying multiple commodities at the swing lows that we talked you through. Everything from copper to palladium to platinum to crude oil. We've seen a lovely breakout on platinum this week. The mantra over October has been to be buying platinum below $900 per ounce. This week, platinum prices broke out to $950 per ounce, breaking out 5% this week so far. Crude oil, multiple opportunities to be buying back at the swing low, back down towards 80, 81 and 82 US dollars per barrel. Currently, we've got oil breaking back above $83 per barrel already, up 2% on the day after yet another retest, back down towards $80 per barrel in the last 24 hours. Alongside this, gold prices obviously broke out to $2,000 per ounce last week. So from low to high, we've now seen a 9% breakout and over a 2,000 point move here just over the month of October, which again, this provided fantastic opportunities for yourselves, for us at the Gold and Silver Club and all of our clients to absolutely crush it over the month of October. So we've closed out now the month of October. Many of our clients delivering over 20% returns just for the month of October. We've had a huge windfall amount of profit over the month of October by stacking into 12 positions on gold alongside all of our positions on platinum, on palladium, on copper and crude oil, which has actually meant at the peak of the move, we've generated over 20,000 points of profit with our clients at the Gold and Silver Club. So it's been an absolute phenomenal month. And again, congratulations to everyone who's absolutely crushed it over the month of October here as well. Now, as we transition throughout the rest of the week, in November, we have a number of back-to-back news items here to be aware of too. So number one is the FOMC statement on Wednesday. Thursday, we have the Bank of England. Friday, we have non-farm payroll data. So again, I would use these catalysts as opportunities to do two things. Either bank on strength that we get further breakouts to the upside across the metals and energies here, or if we were to get a dip back down towards the swing lows, so for example on crude oil, back down towards $80 per barrel, then I would look at opportunities to reload there. Last week, again, we talked you through great opportunities on platinum, back down towards $900 per ounce or lower. Massive breakout on platinum this week. Copper at 3.6 or lower. We've already seen a lovely impulse move on copper over the last 24 hours, breaking back out to 2-week highs. We talked you through palladium, buying opportunities back down towards 1,100 US dollars per ounce. Right now, we're seeing palladium trade back at $1,145 per ounce, and oil is also breaking back above $83 per barrel. And of course, you know the status here on gold. We've continued to bank a windfall amount of profit from the 12 positions that we built in over the month of October here. We've now scaled that down, so we've now got 5 positions and banking that windfall amount of profit. So again, a big congratulations to everybody who's locked in those windfall amount of profits for the month of October. And again, now you want to hit the ground running for November and December, which is also a very lucrative period of the year for commodity trading. Again, if you're not making money at the moment in commodities, you absolutely should be. This is going to come down to utilizing research, data, statistics, and market intelligence. Further compound that with the daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, real-time data-driven cycles for each commodity. Understand and learn the capital flows, the intermarket correlations, the ratios in the market. Further compound this with the macros, fundamentals, the geopolitics, and of course how the hedge funds, the money managers, and the banks and institutions, how they're positioned in real time. This is going to help you massively to get an edge. So with that, if you would like to join our community of successful traders, learn the professional research-driven approach to the market, and join our professional mentorship program, there is an opportunity for you to do so. Just make sure you click in the link below today's report in order to make an application to join our professional mentorship program.